How can you make change last? Have you ever been in a situation where you feel like you've been battling the same challenge for a long time, and no matter how hard you try, it just doesn't get resolved? Why? That pattern can drive a person crazy because no matter how hard you try, it's like rinse, repeat, and it does it again. It's because what happens is when there's a pattern from the past that you have become accustomed to, subconsciously, we just keep on doing the same thing until you recognize that pattern, until you recognize the why. That's why I always say it's so important to look at the cause. Battling the symptom keeps it going and going and going. It's like putting a Band-Aid on it until you're ready to go for another round, right? Best thing to do is knock it out so it never comes back. And you do that by making sure that you are aware of what's causing it in the first place. Now, a lot of times when you have one of those patterns, they're really hard to identify because it's become your automatic. Old habits die hard, and it dies hard because you usually don't even recognize you have them. And once you can see what it is that you're doing, you can change it. But when you don't know what you don't know, it's pretty hard to change because it just feels like normal. It doesn't feel like anything out of the ordinary because it's something that you become so accustomed to. So it doesn't matter if, let me give you some examples. It doesn't matter if it's weight, or if it's feeling depressed or anxious or panicking or worrying or nervous or micromanaging or feeling lack of control or having relationships that don't feel like the one you want to be in. When you recognize all those patterns that are causing those challenges and you rectify it, it makes room for something healthy to come in. Make sense? Great. So what I have done is, if this is something that resonates with you, I invite you to join me inside my Facebook group. It's a private Facebook group. It's called Awareness, Your Mindset Matters. Okay, so you can join me in the Facebook group or just reach out to me and we can connect for a call. I have opened some calls on my calendar if that helps you. I hope that you're having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.